Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 5, Colorado 0. I'm joined by Jamo.
First 3 minutes, me say 4 goals.
Yes.
Yes. I'm shooting Pirates. Me say, no man is not a bad coach.
Yes, man.
The Golden Arrows. Me na I'm a ball playing team there.
Yes.
And the 70 speed. Just the advantage of Pirates today. Bakwazile ukuba container, bakwazile ukuba marker, bakwazile ukuba pressa nga high press, babathathela ibhola second ball, bangakwazi ukudlala. So our game plan was to say abantu abangadlala ibhola because ba dangerous. But uma ngoba I game plan yakhe ngeke ngayibona. Bekadlala emuva cross ibhola ku right aliphushele phambili in the hopes ukuthi malihambe wide uzokwazi ukubuyisa cross ngoba uDion ngakhumbula ukwazi ukuhit ibhola ugood nangenyama but the defense it was very good uqinile urile Mufokeng something else I mina lantwana lela yabona ngibonga umama nobabakhe because those parents badlala indima yazi naye way baziphethe ngakhona in terms of making sure this boy is growing up beautifully. Ngiyabonga labazali bro. Umntwana lena manje is showcasing himself at his prime. And he's doing something that most players fail to do. Uma umuntu udlala ibhola, la kumele ubonise khona ubukhoni bakho kuse ground. Ungayibekela abantu balebele bakhuluma barasa bayenza umsiki. Indaba kaJali ngeza kusho. But i-team yethu today they played like a unit. They played beautiful football. Ama-center pairing yethu i-Remy Martin nale ntwana uCM ngale ku right Singer Kapatala ngapha hot one la esiswini emthejela ama-talent amaningi Rally Mufokeng Ozuna Police umntana kagogo simgayini chance umntana kagogo simgayini chance uzo lentana yakhumbula makufika umwana sesi angebe simbuwa la yakhumbula ukuphi manje top so umntana kagogo simgayini chance lizofika ilanga lakhe just the system of Pirates is a difficult system whereby ngesisikhathi ungayibona ngathi ayisifuni number 9 because ngoba khuphuka mabehla flat wa police uMufokeng no lady nale ntwana le number 11 baya phambili ayindoda uyabona na ukuthi lapha ziyabuya and bayelela for igoal bayakhama ugoalkeeper bamthatha bamlahlele ngaphandle bafaka igoli eneteam so iPirates itself nesystem edlalayo that's why abantu ababhaye bashaya le coach lena is a brilliant coach le system lena ngazi ukuthi mina wayifundela kuphi although siyazi ukuthi uphume eFrance but many teams they can't contain him and manje sakaza ngamagoli na into engiyibonayo manje overload ngapha ko right overload ngakhule ibhola maselibuya phakathi isithimba and khasha khona ishana nomobani sisha ku D-line sisha la kuphakathi final third everywhere noma kuphi la sifuna khona ngoba sifuna igoal le 1 minute uyibonile 1 minute ka Rally
amakasha ibala
ntwana mukushuthi lapho ngibone khona ukuthi Pirates imnandi imnandi kakhulu and ngiyabonga ibhola abadlalayo ngicela bakhuthale ngifuna ukuzwa indaba kaJali ngicela ngicela just 2-3 minutes uJali uthi ku interview singacompare uRile nomshishi umshishi une stamp sokuba i-icon une stamp sokuba i-legend inside the field and outside the field abantu abadlale nomshishi bazokutshela they are out there na ipause
imnandi
kuyo yonke i-containment yempilo yakhe uthi uJali sicela nigayine ntwana le at least 10 years so that he can showcase himself to the world. This boy usinika only 3 seasons manje. Umnandi yena. Asiphiki mara sicela sinike chance. So that abantu azoba nesigxivizo. uDr Khumalo unesigxivizo. Ngoba si legend. But really akabi legend. Akabi isigxivizo. Useza mfethu lantwana lena is a magic to watch. Is a wonder. But kumele sinikeze isikhathi. Yiko ngithi mina uJali was not meaning what people bengabeki blind. So abantu manje ngoba thina sithanda ukuthatha narrative bad negative energy abodaki sinomona sesikhuluma izinto
sayijika
ama commentate ukhuluma kule base list watch your words ungalibeleli uJali usipheni usiphama khapha engakho usiphama khapha engakho yena self ama colleagues wakhe uAndile Jali angakanani he's got the right ukukhuluma lento le ayikhulumile because he understands football more than us. I'm not saying wrong or right, but I'm just saying listen to context ngesikhathi sibe objective ukuthi bekathini uAndile Jali nami ngivumelana na urile mfethu mase simgayithene mina ngifuna eSpain awudlala eSpain or adlala eGermany or adlale MLS yeah no for now is brilliant but you don't know what can happen next year awazi ngenzakalani bese ngitshela umshishi unestempe umshishi unestempe uDr Khumalo unestempe uyi-legend mina ngivumelane always abantu babhesha ama-player bakriticize ama-player awethu la wasinikeza into ezinhle elethu ngasigama ama-trouble angakho bala kunandaba mfethu ngiyabonga Orlando Pirates ngicela ukuthi sidlaleni ibhola kamnandi wesijwayele ngakhona Orlando Pirates sithathe uyabona lento leyo ngiyabonga
thank you team uyivale kitanyabuthu
bafethu kitanyabuthu asevale bafethu kile wile abona 5-0 ayibanakile wile kitanyabuthu bothi shavini tango kile wile mkhosana tango